Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the vehicle and protecting yourself. Safety glasses and wheel chocks are non-negotiable. Once done, peel back the drive shaft cover and mark the shaft-to-flange relationship so balance is preserved later. Then break the flange bolts while the shaft is still supported. You'll avoid twisting the transmission output seal. Remove the bolts and carefully lower the drive shaft, supporting it with one hand while you free the U-joint caps with pliers. Now you focus on removing the old joint carefully. The why matters: uneven force bends yokes. First, take out snap rings and set them aside, then position the drive shaft in the press or use a C-clamp and socket. Press one cap out until the trunnion clears, then rotate and press the opposite cap, alternate sides to prevent binding. Once caps are free, lift the cross and inspect bearing surfaces. If cups or yokes show pitting, replace them to avoid premature failure. You're finishing by installing the new joint with attention to alignment. This ensures longevity. If the joint is greasable, pack the fitting fully, then press caps in evenly until seated and snap rings locked. Reinstall the drive shaft in the marks you made, torque flange bolts to manufacturer specs, and check for play and run out to avoid vibration. Finally, road test at varied speeds. If you feel vibration, stop and recheck torque and joint seating. Loose bolts or misaligned shaft cause most issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.